Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. Samsung Galaxy S21 leak has revealed what Samsung's next generation smartphone could look like, albeit in a dummy metal unit form. Continuing with their near-daily slew of Galaxy S21 leaks, Exynos has tweeted images of the dummy units, giving us a first look at what the Galaxy S21 could look like in the real world. This builds on the Galaxy S21 renders we've seen recently. We can see the somewhat oddly shaped camera block of the Galaxy S21 on the rightmost model. This supports previously leaked renders, which have shown the protruding glass bump more clearly. Unlike the rectangle camera's block on the Galaxy S20 phones, the Galaxy S21's module seems to wrap around the left side of the phone, making it more of a design statement than that on previous Galaxy phones. The curved edges of the Galaxy S21 are also most prominent on the rightmost model. This may be because it's turned face down, and all S21s have curved backs, but it's possible that this is the Galaxy S21 Ultra specifically. Earlier rumors claim that the S21 Ultra will be the only S21 model with a truly curved display, while the smaller Galaxy S21 Plus and Galaxy S21 will use flatter panels. The S21 Ultra's display will refresh multiple records. This sounds like it could be referring to the phone's refresh rate, which rumors so far have indicated that it will be 120 Hz like that of the Galaxy S20 series. However, there are 144 Hz displays around, like the one on the Asus ROG Phone 3, and there's no reason why that number couldn't go higher if Samsung decided refresh rate was a priority. We're expecting the sizes and resolutions of the Galaxy S21 3 models to be the same as their S20 series counterparts. So it's not clear where Samsung would break records, given it's made phones with larger screens, foldable displays, and smartphones with 4K displays also exist. We don't Samsung to make a phone with an 8K display, as it's overkill and would use too much power. Perhaps the rumored LTPO technology for the S21 Ultra could be the key. This technology, first shown off on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, allows a truly variable refresh rate that can save battery life, as the display can throttle down to 1 Hz when it's not being used. There were initially rumors that the Galaxy S21 would be Samsung's first phone with an under-display selfie camera. Unfortunately, that now looks to be false, with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 now thought to be the first phone Samsung fits this technology to. Based on other Galaxy S21 rumors, the three models will all use a new Snapdragon 875 or Exynos 2100 chip, depending on where they are sold. We'll also see similar camera tech to the S20 series, except the S21 Ultra looks to be gaining a second telephoto camera, allowing users to access two different optical zoom options, 3x and 10x. Recent rumors have claimed we can expect to see the S21 debut in January 2021. It's supposedly launching earlier than usual in order to fight the iPhone 12. This event may also be where we see the Galaxy Z Flip 2 appear, although that may debut later in the year alongside the Christmas chip could be outperforming the Snapdragon Notes. Important to note that again. These are linked benchmarks of both of them, is no way of verifying these results, so they could be incorrect, and even if they are really what the schools will improve close to launch with more optimization. However, this can be great news for the Christmas region, as have been falling behind in terms of chipsets for a very long time. Next up, with some models leaked by Exynos for the S21, the S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra, but these give a rough idea of the phone sizes, but this simply just models, and there's not really too much to go on him. We did however have the design leaked for the Galaxy S21 in another tweet from Exynos. The leak is the Galaxy S21 Ultra CAD. We can see an incredible looking device. As I told you guys a while ago, the Galaxy S21 Ultra can have Samsung's new blade vessel, which means no big chin anymore. The chin and side bezels of this phone are actually the same size in the S21 Ultra, meaning the narrowest chin in any mobile so far. The chin is now essentially just a lip holding the display in place, and of course, it looks stunning. Exynos tweeted say that the Galaxy S20 Ultra screen will refresh multiple records, and it's clear to see why. Not only are we getting this beautiful full-screen device, but as I previously said, it's a 120 Hz LTPO display. This can allow for 120 Hz and a Quad XD+ resolution, and this will be at the same time as can be able to dynamically change between 120 Hz, meaning it can save on battery life when a high refresh rate is required, then ramping up to 120 Hz when it's beneficial for the user. We were advised of only minor improvements to the Galaxy S21. It seems as though this isn't really the case, with as no drastic changes to the phone course design. There are very impressive upgrades that will deliver a much better user experience. Anything we're not getting here is an in-display camera, and it seems that they can be holding off for the next fold. So for those that want this technology, it's best to hold another year. If you're happy with the poncho and the Galaxy S21 is looking incredible, we've already had the 40 specs and design for the rest of the range. Samsung Galaxy S21 6.2 Dynamic AMOLED 120Hz 1440 by 3200 563 ppi HDR10 Plus punch hole selfie unknown. Snapdragon 875 Exynos 2100 8GB RAM 128GB storage. Android 11 One UI 3.0 Triple camera setup. 4000. Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 6.8 Dynamic AMOLED 120Hz flat display. Snapdragon 875 Exynos 1000 64MP plus 10MP plus 10MP rear cam. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 6.9 Dynamic AMOLED 120Hz 1440 by 3200 511 ppi HDR10 plus punch hole selfie unknown. Snapdragon 875 Exynos 2100 12GB RAM 128GB storage. Android 11 One UI 3.0 quad camera setup plus sensor. Being very hard to stop. That said, it seems unlikely Samsung would have it ready so soon after receiving the patent. So we don't expect to see blade bezels on the S21 range. Samsung has been working on a perfect full-screen phone design for well over a year, and there were hopes that the Samsung Galaxy S21 could make this vision a reality. Samsung Display started talking about the possibility of eliminating the punch holes on the front of its phones in March 2019. The idea is that the camera hole would be invisible, while not affecting the camera's function in any way. The Galaxy S21 is rumored to up the ante even more when it comes to camera resolution and possibly zooming. Korean tech publication The Elec says that the Galaxy MP sensor, which would be even higher than the 108MP sensor in the Galaxy S20 Ultra. In addition, the Galaxy S21 may drop a time-of-flight sensor in order to support two optical zoom lenses. One would be a 3x lens and the other a 10x periscope lens. One interesting bit of news reported by prominent Samsung leaker Exynos indicates that the company views high megapixel sensors like the 108MP one in the S20 Ultra and Note 20 Ultra as the way forward for the industry and will remain committed to their development. In fact, a Samsung executive who heads up the firm's sensor business theorized that one day the company could introduce a 600MP sensor that would technically. That's not the only crazy camera idea Samsung is considering for future phones. A patent for a 6-camera array with lenses and sensors that can move, pivot, and zoom in and out has made the rounds. This idea seems as though it may be too radical to debut in a phone as soon as the Galaxy S21, though the increase in lens quantity and the idea to allow those lenses to move sounds like a worthwhile long-term goal for Samsung. Packed in headphones and charging adapters with the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. However, recent reports from Korean media suggest the same will. Ultimately, we'll have to wait and see how Samsung approaches this decision. Well, that's all for now, guys. Please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching.